check or X? Okay, check or X. Wait lang, okay. So the first players will beat up the first, and then you will have to go backward in the next. Okay, no backward. Okay. You will get 1 point if you get the correct answer. You will have additional 1 point if you are able to explain why that is X or why is the check. Again, the answer is check or X. Okay, check or X. No, you will have to move forward. Okay, so let's see. Okay. If it's X, that's like this. If it's check, like this. Okay, but you have to move. Okay, don't forget. You will only give the answer once I have given the signal. Go.
I will move forward first.
Yes,
and
move forward. Yes.
give a signal.
Okay. ESP focuses on learners' specific needs. Go.
Move forward.
Yeah. Wala na. Your answer is check. Why?
Because according to what we have learned earlier, that SB focuses on learners' specific needs. Because every learners have a various needs. For example, they are a businessman. They're going to learn English for business purposes.
Okay, very good. 2 points. Next. ESP uses language relevant to a particular field or profession. Okay, why?
Di ba?
Check.
Why?
Because it is relevant to a particular field or profession. Kumbaga, aligned doon sa, it is aligned to the particular field that she or he is taking.
Okay, 2 points again. Wait lang, where's my marker? So we already have 4. Okay, next.
Pag nag-go si ma'am, mag-ano na ako?
Oh, next. ESP teaches general conversation for everyday situations. Go.
Ay, ano ba? Sasabihin na kagad?
Okay, answer is like this.
Check.
No, your answer is like this.
Ay, check, ma'am.
Okay, why?
Because the ASP is there is a particular field that the ASP teaches, and it's not for everyone.
Okay,
It's the general.
Ay, mali kasi. Bakit ko bang mag-ex na?
Next. ESP is designed based on learners'
Yes.
goals. Wait lang, wala pa.
Yes.
Go!
Check.
Okay, who came first? Wala ka.
Explain.
Explain like this. Explain. Explain like that so that you will have additional 1 point.
Yeah, because it has purpose.
What purpose?
The purpose. What is the purpose?
The purpose is for the learners to learn.
Learn. Oh, 1 point lang. Ano specific for their job? Next. Oh. ESP uses authentic materials from real-life context. Go.
Check.
Okay, now let's go.
Because as we have discussed earlier, that yung mga different fields na pinafocus ang ESP, like for example, sa business and sa other fields like
Okay, got it. Right? So we have 2 points. Next, number 6. ESP follows a fixed curriculum for all learners. Go.
X.
Ano sa ID? Okay, ID.
AS follows no, because as what we've studied a while ago, it's the ASP has its purpose. It's like what I said a while ago. There is a specific field, and they are not following the fixed curriculum for all learners.
Yes. So, when you become a teacher, ID may have different topics, and then like may have different topics to different students. Okay. Next. Next. Wala pa tayong guys. Next time. ESP emphasizes communication in specific context. Go. Ano na siya? Okay.
Yes, because as we have discussed earlier that they use English used for communication, but in ASP it's used in a specific context.
Okay. Next. ESP develops skills needed for academic or workplace settings. Go.
No, sino na?
Joy.
Sa kanya, ano sa'yo?
Edi sa akin. Edi sa akin.
Okay, Joy.
Ay, sorry.
Joy.
Oo nga pala.
So ESP develops skills needed for academic or workplace settings. So yun nga po, may mga terminologies na ginagamit in different areas, in different fields. So of course, universal language is needed for that. And they have to develop those skills like writing, speaking, and reading.
Next. ESP focuses only on grammar drills. Go.
Uy!
Ha?
Wala ako pa ng answer. Ay,
She's correct. She's correct.
X. Because X. Kasi focus only, no, they're not focusing only in grammars because nga, the ASP focus on skills so that the learners or the adults will develop skills that is needed.
May material. May material.
Wala.
Sila.
Ito. 5 points. Okay, 5 points. You're not going to... sige, move forward. Everybody, you have to put your fingers at the back. ESP prepares learners for specific tasks or professions.
Joy.
Ah,
So ESP prepares us for specific tasks and professions. Like us as future students, we are prepared to be skillful in terms of speaking, also reading, and how to be communicate with students if he doesn't know the language.
Okay, so let's see. Please add.
Or 7. 9.
Ito,
Well,
Ito.
Ayan.
So you're still the winner. Okay.